Alrighty guys, we're back with video number 3 in our unboxing series for today. And here's our next new for 2022 vehicle. This is a 95 Jeep Cherokee. And see, this is the first generation Jeep Cherokee. And this one is an off-roader. There's extra lights. There's a winch. Front Jeep and off-road tires. This is actually a great looking Jeep. Alright, we're gonna take a look at the back and see what this one's about. Here we go. It's been Toledo, Ohio. And yeah, it's Jeep that made it. There we go. Let's read. Jump in and get ready for an adventure. This heavily modified Cherokee has all the goods, including a roof rack, attached recovery equipment, and a roof mounted lighting for fun trips after hours. Hold on in this one again, and go at night. Now let's go get a look at this Jeep. Here we go, you guys. Our off-roading Jeep. It's right. There's a lot of off-roading stuff. Oh, this Jeep. Even the tires are built for off-road. Like I said, this is a great Jeep, and it's allowed to go off-road. The Jeep I unboxed so far. But it's very nice. Alright guys, that's it. All my videos are done for today. And I'll see you guys soon in my next video. Goodbye.